Hey guys, today we're unboxing an iPhone 12 Pro. Let's unbox. So we got this directly from Apple. This is the iPhone 12 Pro in silver with 256 gigs. And I love the silver phone, so I just never got any of the silvers because I always have another color that I like better and then I always regret it. But now that there's a silver in my household that I can look at all the time, oh my gosh, it looks so good. That looks good. Oh my gosh. Okay, like, alright, what the heck? That's so great and amazing. Let's see what we get inside the box. We get a USB-C to Lightning and paperwork. We have a SIM card ejection tool, which I'm actually gonna need for this. Paperwork. And one little cute little Apple sticker. Okay, let's put this back. Okay, so I'm gonna repackage here because again, it's my dad's, except for the phone, because I'm gonna do a color comparison because I have a Pacific Blue, a broken graphite, so you guys are gonna have to deal with that, and a silver now. So like, here's the Pacific Blue model. Here's graphite. And finally, we got the silver. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.